Hey there. Welcome to the Review Matrix, your no-fluff, results-driven review channel. I break down what actually works so you can skip the hype, avoid wasting money, and make smarter buying decisions.
Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went in there? Or maybe you're struggling with that constant, annoying brain fog that makes it hard to focus on your work or remember simple names? Most people think it's just a normal part of getting older, but recent data shows there might be a completely different culprit hiding right inside your daily routine. Today, we are looking at Pineal Guardian X. This is a brand new, trending liquid brain detox formula that is blowing up online. It claims to target the root cause of memory slip-ups and cognitive decline by doing something most other brain supplements completely ignore, detoxifying a tiny, critical part of your brain.
Deep inside your brain sits a tiny pine cone-shaped organ called the pineal gland. This gland is responsible for creating natural melatonin. Now, Harvard Medical School researchers found that this natural melatonin does way more than just help you sleep. It actually acts as your brain's primary shield, clearing out inflammation and protecting your neural connections. The big problem? Everyday things like your tap water, toothpaste, and processed foods are packed with fluoride. Over time, that toxic fluoride builds up and literally calcifies your pineal gland. It shuts down your brain's natural defense system, leaving you exposed to brain fog, rapid focus loss, and memory decline. Pineal Guardian X works by introducing specific natural compounds that target this buildup. It safely flushes out the toxic fluoride, cleanses the gland tissue, and restarts your brain's natural melatonin production so your mind can protect itself again. Instead of stuffing a bunch of synthetic chemicals into a capsule, this formula uses a highly bioavailable liquid dropper format packed with 9 science-backed ingredients. Here are the heavy hitters inside the mix. Yamabushitake. This is a revered brain-boosting mushroom packed with unique antioxidants that actively purge fluoride buildup from the pineal gland. Premium spirulina and pure chlorella. These are pristine superfood algae that work like a magnet to pull heavy metals and toxins straight out of your brain tissue, drastically reducing neuroinflammation. Heritage tamarind and French maritime pine bark. Extract. These exotic extracts open up cerebral circulation, pumping fresh blood and oxygen to the brain to accelerate the detoxification process. Moringa, ginkgo biloba, and Bacopa monnieri. Traditional, high-performance herbs that sharpen memory recall, increase neurotransmitter activity, and shield your brain from age-related decline.
When you start clearing out years of toxic buildup, the real-world changes show up fast. Based on tracking feedback from thousands of customers, here is what you can expect. Instant mental clarity. The thick afternoon brain fog lifts, allowing you to focus on complex tasks for hours without getting distracted. Sharp memory. Recall. You stop stuttering to remember names, dates, or where you left your keys. Information comes back to you in a flash. Deep restorative sleep. Because your pineal gland can finally produce natural melatonin again, you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling completely refreshed and clear-headed. Long-term brain protection. You actively shield your neurons from daily oxidative stress and cognitive decline.
Using this formula is incredibly simple because it comes in a liquid dropper, meaning you don't have to swallow massive dry pills. The recommended dosage is to take the liquid twice a day. Take 1 dose right after you wake up in the morning to jumpstart your clarity for the day, and take the second dose in the middle of the day to crush any afternoon slumps. For the absolute best results, consistency is key. While some users report sharper focus within the first couple of weeks, you want to stay on it for 60 to 90 days to completely flush out the deep fluoride buildup and give your brain cells time to regenerate. Look, trying a new supplement can feel like a gamble, but the creators of Pineal Guardian X removed all the risk here. The product is backed by a massive 100% money-back guarantee for a full 365 days from your purchase. That is a whole year to test it out. If you are not completely satisfied with your memory improvements or your mental clarity, you can return the bottles, even if they are completely empty, and get a full refund within 48 hours. It shows they are incredibly confident in what this formula can do. If you are ready to clear out the brain fog, protect your memory, and get your sharp mind back, you need to make sure you avoid fake third-party listings online. I have placed the direct link to their official website right down in the description box below. Clicking that link ensures you get the authentic, safety-tested formula, and it unlocks their best discount bundles, like the 6-bottle package, which gets you free shipping and 4 free bonuses, including their quick start guide and specialized sound therapy audio tracks. Go ahead and check out that link below right now. Thanks for watching the Review Matrix. See you in the next one.